All right, if you've ever wondered how people get fences stretched up tight like professionals, these are professional grade tools. This is called a Puljak, Puljak. If you want to get something like this, it's adjustable to any size and it stretches fences super tight. So you can see on this side we have a regular tension band, just plenty of room to stretch this picket and get a nut and bolt in, but there's a security issue and people are cutting these bands. So right now you notice we're using brace bands, which are basically for top rail. It's really tight and we're using a truss rod. So this will pull this very tightly. When you get to the actual brace band, you'll probably never get that on there, that bolt, unless you have a pair of channel locks. So in combination with this Puljak right here like this, you're gonna have to get that brace band situated where you actually reach through the chain link like this. And when you can get that band, it might even take some fighting, but you'll notice you'll be able to squeeze it like this. And there's just enough room for that bolt to get in there, just like that. So along with your regular fencing pliers, I usually carry a pair of channel locks for my bigger makeups like this. And then I have my regular pinching pliers like this, which just don't get in at that angle. If you do, it'll always kind of twist them up. It's a little bit harder, it can be done, but do yourself a favor and get a pair of those channel locks when it comes to makeups, especially on 6 5/8 bands and 4-inch bands. These will always help you. If you are doing the regular type of tension bands, which we have right here, the person can always reach through the tension bar and grab the makeup like that. And that's a great way to pinch bands also for getting the nuts and bolts in there. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the tips and found them useful and helpful. See you on the next video.